Hello, good morning, welcome back. In this video we are going to do some module settings. I already have done some settings with our website. I will show you gurustate.com. At any time if you go to Joomla admin panel, you can type like this, your website name / administrator. You will be directed to your admin panel, and then we can do changes and modifications according to our need. So let's log in to our website and click here for front end. Now our site look is like this. I have done some settings which I already taught you in later tutorial, the last tutorial. So now our look is this. I deleted all the classifiers and create some categories here, and one category is missing, actually the vehicles, and two important categories. One is for vehicles and one is for I think vehicles is important, I think. So yeah, travel services also, that's important. So we will create two more categories here, DJ classifiers, and then the icon size, I will save this icon image, and then I'll open this image into Photoshop for taking the size of the image. I will make one graphic designing course in which I will teach in detail the Photoshop, CorelDRAW and Illustrator. So I think I hope that within 1 or 2 weeks I will create that course also, so you can get training from that course. That will be useful. I will just drag and drop again. It's taking time actually. Yeah, now I already have downloaded this transport image, and I will adjust the icon, Control T for transform, and then I think that's good. Let's save this image as vehicle icon, and one more image we need for travel icon, PNG for portable network graphics, so we don't have any background. So for traveling we can choose some image here. Let's try some good image. This image is fine, but I think no, this is also not PNG image. So this is also not PNG image. We will try some another image. This is actually simple black, although this is good image actually. So but we will try some another image. Let's see. Yeah, this is good. So we can drag this image like this, and travel icon, DJ classifiers, categories, and then we will add one more category here for vehicles, and make it free images, and we will upload our icon. After that we will create one more category, that is for travel, and we will add travel icon. Now we will add some subcategories under vehicles and travel categories, and for that we will move to vehicles, and here I am going to add some cars categories, cars, and we can old cars, bikes, motorcycles, and other. That's it for vehicles. For travel, we will add some Umrah tickets, and local travel packages, international packages, and then we can add one category for, let's make it other. Now if we will move to our front end, we will see some more categories here for vehicles and travel. So we will add one more category here in travel, so it will look nice. In travel we can add offers, special offers, and now it's fine. Now we will start modifying our modules. Okay, so for modules, before going to module settings, I will do some main settings in control panel, and that's regarding to payments, and we have some payments plugins here already installed. We will use only PayPal payment, so people can submit amounts through PayPal, and for PayPal payment we will explore this payment. And now test mode, we will change it to no, and then we can add some custom logo here also for PayPal. So we can add PayPal logo PNG. Let's find some logo, and the size of logo will be 115 to 150 pixels, and here we will do 150 into 150. Then this logo is fine. Okay, save as JPG. Go to plugins. Here we will add our PayPal ID. I think I have one PayPal ID, .com. Yes, this one. And we will upload one logo. So we have successfully added our PayPal payment system. Now we'll again go to DJ classifiers and payments, and there are some payments added here. So we will actually point packet is $2, and we can just delete these payment systems, but let's promotions. We will go to promotions. There we will find some promotions here. Okay, promotion first. If we will add some for promotion bold. We don't need border, we need background, we need special, we need so for special we will add prices. So here we are going to add price of $2 for 7 days, or no, for 15 days. Promotion first will make $1 for 15 days, $2. Promotion bold, we don't need. Promotion border 15, $1 is enough, and for background one is again enough, 15 days. That's fine. Now I will set up the system, front-end system, so that the user can be can log in, and then user can submit his ads. Okay, so let's try with registration. So in the backend you will go to users and then manage, and then here you on this screen you will click on options, and here you will find that new user registration group will be registered, and guest will be guest, send password. So the password will be sent to his there will be send an email to that user, and he can activate by self activation is enabled. Okay, their settings are fine. Captcha we can just non-selected. Sometimes captcha make problems for users. So here on user registration form I'm going to add one user. Let's add this with my name. I agree to privacy policy, data protection, I agree. Profile image we can also add. So I am going to add my beautiful image. That's my old image. That's around, I think today is 2018, and that image was of around 2005. Yeah, so a lot of years before. So now we will go to Gmail, and we will probably find our new email from Guru State. So let's check that email. Great, we find a email. Let's click on this email and click on activate. So now our account is activated. We can log into our this website now. And now you can see that I am successfully logged in to this website. Now we will click on post ad, and we can add our ad here, and there is a new advert. This website allows you to pay for additional services, special point system. We don't need actually special point system, so I will remove that system here, and other things are absolutely fine. We can, yeah, other things are fine. So before posting an ad, I will just remove this point packages, and we don't need these promotions, etc. So we will go to point packages, and we will go to just settings, control panel, options. I think we will find here the promotions we need, and here we will find points, promotion, move to top, point packages. Let's find that. Yeah, they're here. So we can just disable this one. Post code also we can disable. Contact, use price, other things are fine. Again we will refresh the page, post ad. Now that message comes, that's good. Title, here we are going to add some ad here. So play or learn online. And then we will select our category, services, and then we will go to educational services, then type. This type also we don't need for now. I am just adding this free. In locations we have only North America, and we have to add locations. So address, I'm going to add some address here, and map will detect your location according to your address. And here we will make it 7 days, no problem. And we are going to add some description. So we have a website for games, sorry, we have one website for education purpose. So we will add text from this website, and in contact and website we are going to add our website. Price, no need, we will delete this option also. I agree to the terms and conditions. And then about, we are going to add this text. In description, if you right click here and paste as a plain text, it will be fine. And from here we are just copying this text, and in description we will put this text. And yeah, image, for image we are going to add some image. Let's add this image. It's sample ad, so we can make some mistakes here. Okay, so promotions, you can see we can add promotions here, but I'm not going to add any promotion for time being. And after that we will save the our ad. Invalid field location, so location is invalid field. Yeah, North America for time being I am adding, because location is necessary. So now our ad has been successfully posted, and you can see the layout is best. And now if we go to main homepage, You can see our ad is displaying here also. So that's good thing. We have successfully configured our registration and ad posting system. We will go to DT classified, and again we will move to options, and here we will just type for searching phrase what we have to do. Yeah, use type we don't need, and yeah, that's other things are fine. And now we will move to our locations. As you can see, only North America is selected. A lot of locations are here, but why not displaying in front end? I don't know. That is our mistake. I think we have to configure some options for location, I think. Yeah, because the locations, all locations are added under North America. That's the main problem. So that's the mistake of our partner, because here he added the main region and we will not add the main region. And save and close like this. Okay, so now if we add some ad, we will definitely find some more locations here. Okay, so we will definitely fix this issue of locations also. So after that, let's make this video end at this stage, and next video we will modify our modules. Okay, so see you in next video. Thank you very much.